welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be doing a little skit with the trains and some of the people on the railway. So I hope you enjoy this video and let's see what happens. One day there was some construction workers who ate at Kentucky Fried Chicken. Oh, I just got a call from boss. He said that some of the rails are broken and we need to go fix them immediately. I'll hop in. Oh no, the car won't start. It's broken. What are we supposed to do now? I wonder if any of the trains are going to come along. Is that Percy I see over there? Hey Percy, yeah? Can you take us to the broken rail section? Okay, where is it? It's near the bridge. The bridge is broken. It could collapse at any second. Okay, hop on. I'll take you to the bridge. And all the construction workers got on the train. Okay, Percy, we're all ready to go. Can you take us to the broken bridge area? Yeah, of course. I'll head there immediately. Meanwhile, near the broken bridge. Hey Spencer, I still don't know why Sir Topham Hatt said I needed to come with me for this job. It's not that big of a deal. It's probably just because Sir Topham Hatt we have the troublesome trucks, and they're very troublesome. Okay, Spencer, we're coming up to Gordon's Hill. Let's go a bit slower. We have to go fast though, Thomas. We don't want the troublesome trucks to stop on us. We have to go. Okay, Spencer, if that's what we need to do. Thomas, wait, the bridge is broken. Stop! Oh no. And then there was trouble. There was a big crash and the troublesome trucks had fallen off the tracks. Thomas, what do we do now? I'm not sure. I wonder how we get help. Your front wheels are off the tracks, Spencer. What are we supposed to do? The coupling broken. I'm stuck to you. Hopefully an engine comes by soon. Spencer! Oh no! We went the wrong way! Spencer! I'm about to fall off the edge, Thomas. Help! 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 Please help! With one little touch, Spencer could go flying off the rails. I'm gonna try to pull you back now, Spencer, okay? Okay, Thomas, please, hurry. Okay. It's no use. I can't pull you, Spencer. You're too heavy. I'm gonna disattach and go get help, okay? Okay, Spencer, I'm disattached. I'll go get help. Spencer, Thomas sent us. We're gonna couple up to you and pull you back down, okay? Thomas said he wasn't able to pull you all the way down the hill. I think we got this. Okay, Spencer. You're all on the tracks. We just gotta pull you down. I wish you could come down yourself, but you can't in case anything breaks because you are hanging off the side of the bridge. Okay, let's try this. 1, 2, 3, pull. Wrong way. Pull! Yes, we made it. Okay. Thank you so much, Ben and Percy. Thank you for saving me. You're welcome, Spencer. Okay, sorry guys, but I gotta go. I gotta take these workers up to the bridge so they can fix it. Okay, full speed ahead. Okay, we're at the top, workers. Thanks, Percy. We'll have this bridge fixed up in no time. 20 minutes later, there we go. The bridge is fixed. All the work here is done. Finally, for our fun fact of the day. Okay, so for today's fun fact, we have Trevor, a traditional traction engine. Trevor has worked on soda farms for many years. The Vicar of Wellsworth saved him from being scrapped. Now Trevor works with Jem Cole on a farm by the tracks. Traction engines are old farm vehicles powered by steam. Fun fact, Trevor was the star of a local charity garden party. Next, we have Cranky, the high and mighty crane. Cranky's a bad-tempered crane who looms over Brendam docks. Although he looks tough and is sometimes rude to the engines, Cranky has a kind side too. Fact file, roll. Loading and unloading cargo. Home Brendam docks. Dislikes listening to salty stories. Finally, in today's video, we have cranes. Stowdoors, lifters, and shifters. In quarries, mines, and yards across Sodor, cranes are hard at work. These tough machines lift, shift, hoist until the job is done. Merrick. When he has a job to do, no crane works harder than Merrick. When he has nothing to do, he sleeps peacefully. It is not quite so peaceful for anyone who has to listen to his snoring. Reg. Reg is chirpy lawn donner. His job is loading scrap into trucks. Going to the scrapyard, Reg finds scrap beautiful. He even makes his holiday decorations from it. Thank you everyone so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.